In this video I'll demonstrate how to construct a scatter plot on the TI-84. According to a brief report, a study found that cold viruses persist on surfaces such as doorknobs and refrigerator handles. In fact, they reported that after 1 hour of the virus being deposited on the object, the probability of a person touching the object getting a cold was 85%. After 24 hours, the probability was still 69%, and after 48 hours, 53%. Use the TI-84 to produce a scatter plot for this data. What are the two variables? The number of hours after the virus was deposited on the object, and the probability of a person touching the object getting a cold. What is the explanatory variable? The explanatory variable may explain or influence an outcome of a study. For this problem, we'll consider the number of hours after the virus was deposited on the object to be the explanatory variable. What is the response variable? The response variable measures an outcome of a study. For this problem, we'll consider the probability of a person touching the object getting a cold to be the response variable. When constructing a scatter plot, plot the explanatory variable as x and the response variable as y. Here's our data. We'll use 1, 24, and 48 as our number of hours, and we'll use our probabilities as 0.85, 0.69, and 0.53. Get out your TI-83, and once again we'll press Stat and Edit, and we have numbers in our lists already, so we're going to clear those out. Arrow up to the top of L2, clear, enter. Back to L1 and enter 1, 24, and 48 hours. And then our 85% as a decimal, 69.69, and 0.53. Now, press Y equal to clear out all any equations you might have in your calculator. And then we're going to go second, Y equals, to enter stat plot. We want plot 2 and plot 3 to be off. Plot 1 can be on or off. We're going to turn it on, and we want the first icon, the dots that are separated by spaces. We want our X list to be L1 and our Y list to be in L2. The marks are your choice. Now if we zoom and arrow down to zoom stat, which is 9, we see that we have a strong negative linear association, which to me is quite surprising, but it could be due to the fact that it was a brief report and whoever reported it only provided us with these 3 points for the plot. So here's a scatter plot on our TI-84.